Hi everyone, this is the homework video for Thursday, December 8th for periods 1 and 2. I am on page 6 and the instructions say, determine if each statement or item applies to expressions, equations, and or inequalities. Some statements may apply to more than one. Put a check in the correct column or columns. So number 1 says contains an equal sign. So what you need to do, I'm just going to zoom over here. What you would want to do is put a check mark in the equation section because an equation contains an equal sign. The other two do not contain equal signs. For number 2, it says cannot be solved. And a lot of this you can find in the notes on pages 3, 4, and 5 if you get stuck. So the only one that cannot be solved is an expression. So you want to continue on page 6, read the statement or the problem, and just basically check off what or which ones does it apply to. So you're just checking off the items in the boxes if it makes sense for that. All right, next is on page 11. I'm just going to get to that page. All right, so page 11, I'm just zooming in on the first example. It says determine which option or options the variable e could be. If none of the options could be the variable, write none. So this example was already done for you, but I circled the answers just so you could see. So it says example, 10e plus 3 is less than 92. So what you're going to do, and again, this one's already done for you, you would plug in a 10 for e, and you would see if it's true. So if I plug in a 10 for e, that becomes 10 times 10, which is 100. 100 plus 3 is 103. And 103 is not less than 92. So that does not work. But if I plug in a 4, 10 times 4 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. And 43 is less than 92. So that works. If I plug in a 6, 10 times 6 is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63. 63 is less than 92. And the last example, if I plug in a 2, 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 is less than 92. So you need to complete the rest of these just like that for 2 through 11, as well as finishing page 6, and I will check that tomorrow in class. This is the end of the video. Have a great evening.